Everyone loves butterflies. They're so fancy. And look at me. I'm just a fuzzy tube. Life as a tube is dangerous. People step on you. I'm not a snack. I'm a star. I deserve better. They told me, Gary, build a cocoon. It's the rule. No thanks. It's too tight, and it smells like socks. Rule? No. I want wings now. Glue is bad. Very bad. Plan A failed, but Gary has a big brain. Height is key. I just need a lift. Flowers are also painful. Maybe flying isn't for everyone? No! Shut up, Gary! Then I found it! The red balloon. Bye-bye ground! Up we go! Gravity is for losers. Look at me! I am the king of the sky! Enjoy your prison, you little winged losers. Wait, why is it getting dark?
Shortcuts are great. They save time for you and for the bird.